Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to quickly make a chicken cutlet. It is an easy way of making cutlet. Let's quickly get into the ingredients and making it. So first we have to boil a potato. I have taken a boiled potato. I am going to mash it now. So I've peeled the skin. I boiled this in the cooker itself. So I'm going to mash it with the hand itself. Okay. So now I'm finished mashing the potatoes. Now I'm going to add 250 grams of chicken. I boiled it with a little salt and turmeric, and then I removed the bones, whatever was there in that. So around 9 to 10 pieces I have taken, which come around this much. Okay, very small pieces. So I put it in the mixer grinder and I crushed it, and it comes to this shape. So I've added the chicken mixture, and then now I'm going to add the crushed ginger and garlic, the fresh 1 inch ginger I've taken, and I cut it into small pieces. You can still see some of them I have left it as it is. I crush it in the mixer along with the garlic, around 10 cloves of garlic I have taken, and I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to add now masalas. I have taken almost 1.5 spoon of 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1.5 spoon of pepper, half 1 teaspoon of salt, half a spoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. I've chopped two chilies finely, and I'm going to add that too. Now I'm going to add one handful of freshly cut coriander leaves. So you can look at the color. I'm going to mix that. I'm going to add 1 cup of semolina. I'm going to add it to this. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or the maida. I'm going to mix that to this and make a nice dough kind of. So I have this batter ready, this dough ready. So I'm going to make into the shape that I feel like it is comfortable, easier. So I'm not going to use any egg. I'm going to take a little of this, and I'm going to roll it in my hand in this way, and I damp it like this. And then I have some breadcrumbs. And then I'm gonna dip it in this. In fact, this is not bread. I did not have the bread, so I used the bun itself, and I crushed it in. I cut it into pieces and crushed it in the mixer jar, and it came out so fine like this. So I have made a few of them, and I have rolled it and I kept it like this, and it looks yummy as it is, and the smell and everything is so nice. So I have already made like in this shape, that it is not a specific shape as such. So I've just made a ball, and in the hand itself I pressed it, and then I damped it on the breadcrumbs, and then we are good. I'm not using egg as such. So who wants a little binding, maybe you can do it that way. And this you can do an oven cook. You can, or you don't have to use the oil. Right now I'm going to show you. I'm going to fry it in like deep fry it, like how we do normally. So I have heated up some oil in a pan. So it is almost getting heated up. Now I will add one by one those what we have already made. So I have dropped around 5 to 6 pieces in this, and it's bubbling right now, and I will let it fry, and then I will flip it over, and then we should be good in another so I have put it in almost medium to high flame, and I will let it cook for 2 minutes. So it's almost nice and brown. I like it in this color. Look at the smell. I can feel that. It's so yummy. Some of them it has become a little, you know, little thick, I would say. But I would request everyone to make it a little more, in smaller portions. Try to make it, and then we are good. Let me serve to the plate. So here it is, an easy recipe on chicken yummy chicken cutlet. So you can try this and let me know how it is, and like and share and comment as well. Thank you. Bye.